Kalungkutan ay lagi na lang, kasiyahan ay minsan lang makakamtan.
Okay, I know every one of you.
Kahit sa mga mayaman ay di lubos ang kanilang kasiyahan.
Yeah, it's for 2 minutes. It's for 2 minutes.
Sa buhay ng mahirap ay
I've never
gayon,
eaten Jollibee, so I don't know how much Jollibee.
lalo pat kay dami mong mga utang o buhay.
After Jollibee, sir, the super meal is like 150 pesos now. Super meal. And then if they want like the 150 chicken only, then for like 170. I think I should have. I had it.
Ay, nako.
Actually, sir, if you were